people, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to try. Hmm. Let's see. What can I try today? Hey, come closer. I will show you my cucumber. Here you go. We have our first cucumber. This is the maximum size. It's ready to taste. So, I'm going to cut it. Look at this beauty. There you go. Uh-huh. Yeah, you see the little spikes here? Ouch. But I will get rid of it. There you go. Do it like a man. There you go. No need to wash. It's ready to eat. And follow me. For the sauce, I use this brand. You can find it in any Asian store. And let's dig in, shall we? Can I throw this part? Let's try it. It's windy today. Not the most beautiful day. The rain just finished. So let's try. Mmm. It's juicy, baby. Mmm. Mmm. One more. Mmm. Mmm. This is the freshest cucumber you can get. Mmm. This is so different from the one we bought from market. Hey wife, you wanna try? I open your mouth. Open your mouth. Bigger, bigger. Open bigger. Hey, you forgot the sauce. Not the sauce, the dipping. Mmm. Mmm. I want more. There's gonna be more. Mm. Too big. Mmm. Wife, do you want? Shake the camera if you want. Oh, you don't want? Okay. I'll take it. Mm. Mm. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. I need a bigger mouth. Mm. Last bite. Mm. So that's it. Have a nice day. Bye.